I go to college. Do you go to college?
Yes, I do.
What college do you go to?
I go to Pasadena City College.
Do you like it?
Oh, yes, I really like it.
Why do you like it?
Because it has great teachers.
What else?
I like all of my classmates, too.
Anything else?
Yes. It's not expensive. Conversation 2.
I lost my new pen. I lost my new pen.
Where did you lose it?
I don't know.
When did you lose it?
I think I lost it today. I used it yesterday.
Did you check all your pockets?
I checked all my pockets.
Did you look in your desk?
Yes. It isn't there, either.
It's probably around somewhere.
Oh, well, it only cost me $1.
Only $1. Don't even look for it. Conversation 3. New glasses. I can't read my book.
Turn on the light.
The light is on.
Open the book.
The book is open.
See an eye doctor.
That's what I need to do.
He'll give you a prescription for glasses.
I'll make an appointment tomorrow.
I'll get the yellow pages for an eye doctor.
Read the phone number to me.
I'll read it very loud, in case your hearing is getting bad, too.
Conversation 4. School items. What do you need for school?
I need pencils.
Anything else?
I need a notebook.
Do you need a pen?
No. I already have a pen.
Do you need a calculator?
No. The teacher doesn't permit calculators.
How about a dictionary?
No, we have a big dictionary in the classroom.
Well, I guess that's it.
Yes, that's all I need for now.